Wagwan peeps, welcome back to the channel. If it's not your first time, if it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. Alright, so today I want something different, something amazing. This is a Korean thing. Let me try, I love it. So today I am going to recreate it. I'm gonna be making some steam egg. Yes, steam eggs, Korean steam eggs. So we have some crab meat here, you know. We have some egg, wash one egg, them wash, clean egg, you know. We're gonna crack the egg, then put them nice. So first thing first, and beat them up. Yeah man, you go, oh wait, what you going to do? You have to come out. Stop. Right, that's why you have to come out. Yeah man, that have to come out. We're not gonna cook with that. See it? That's why I say wash your egg them. Cause see if that no wash, I'm going there, so contamination that man. We're gonna strain this out now, yeah, so put that on the fire. Alright, let's see if this is, but you know, sometimes, you know, with them thing of them, the measurement need to be accurate, but I'm not really sure about this still. But may I see if this is a 1 cup. I mean, just freestyle and show it. May I see if a 1 cup. There's a 1 cup in here. Man, me and straight 1 cup, you know. 1 cup, see there? Yeah man, a 1 cup, man, a good man. So you're going on. First thing first, you're gonna put this on the fire. Turn on the fire, turn up the heat. Because this, we need this to start boil up. As that start boil, you can just I think let me strain out just like this. See this thing here? This is very nice. This is dried fish. You put this in your soup or anything like that, very nice. You can eat it, add a lot of flavor. Normally use chicken stock to make the steam eggs, but guess what? I now have chicken stock, so we incorporate this instead. The container. Oh, be careful. Yeah, what's up? This is the container, see? Yeah man, dried mackerel. See? Skipjack flakes. Very nice. Very useful in your kitchen. Boy, I don't know, adding the eggs. Just the right amount of flavor. But wait, we forgot something, you know. Crab legs, they're not feeding it too. Alright, here we go. And that can't stop the show from going. Turn on the stove. So we'll pick them up like this. Strip them right inside. Because technically, if you had them when we had that, right? Get a nice little wooden spoon. And go and store it because what? You don't want the egg to burn either. Add a little bit salt. Not that same speed. Store it wrong. Alright. This is very different from how we do eggs in Jamaica, because you know now we just boil egg or just fry some egg, right? But I worry myself, you know, me and them clean, you know, my fingernail and cut them low. Alright. Wait, some egg left in there, so man, nothing now wasting. The pot is a bit full, but I'm just gonna take my time and stir it around until it starts to form. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam properly. Alright, right now I'm gonna turn the stove down and make that go and steam. See there? So I go on. If you're right or wrong. Either way, nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. Alright, so now meanwhile that a bubble up, cut up them scallion and up on top of it. And remember guys, if you're watching this video, you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And also please subscribe to the channel, do a thing. Just press the button, flick off the wrist, and you can also check out a lot more videos on my channel. This hot, you know. Because after 2 minutes, should be okay. Take off your like that burn, you don't want that, you know. Don't want that feel. Boy, too much, you know. Yeah, I'm coming. Go and drop in this tonight right now. The sesame oil. Yeah man, the egg too much in the pot. Still not fully steam like I want. I put back the sand, it's still over it, cover it. See that boil up on the stove there. Crank up the heat a little bit more. Give this around 30 seconds more. and then it will be good. But because the container is so small, so it already steam like I want it to steam. But guess what? I'm gonna work with it still. I'm gonna test it with a chopstick and see what go on. If it get hard as I want it, or see. If I get there still no. You might get there. But we've got to work with this still. Anyways, I'm gonna add the skeleton night and cover it back here a little bit more. Make it simmer down. Yeah man, simmer down. Simmer down. Yeah man, curry and steam we are trying today. We need to try some different food. As Jamaicans we food good, you know. But sometimes we need to try some other culture, explore, you know. Explore and enlighten with taste buds. Even though sometimes you know say we taste kind of funny still. Yeah but we don't like certain food, but guess what? Trying something sometimes can't hurt you, know. Is it me? Try you like it, if you don't like it, just so. Alright, that is it. Now I'm gonna cook no more. Because don't burn up. Container is too small, but guess what? Now I see them way, man. That's the end product. I'm gonna try and see what I go and still and look tasty, you know. Not really as fluffy as how they want if it turn out, but guess what? It good still. Try a thing. Look at that. Man, fluffy steam curry and egg, you know, man. This has turned out above my expectation. Because for a moment I thought it was going south, but guess what? It tastes very good. So if you like it, try it at home and leave it in the comment and let me know what you think about this. And remember, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time.